Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos na mayroong mga gandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, ito yung ating coins ngayon guys na si Roosevelt or Franklin D. Roosevelt na mayroong taon na 1975. Ito yung coins guys ng United States of America, ang 1 dime. So i-share ko sa inyo guys ang tungkol dito dahil mayroon itong halagang 29 million pesos dito sa atin sa Pilipinas. So tapusin na natin ang video guys para malaman natin ang tungkol dito sa baryang ito guys. 280,000 US dollar awarded to the lucky owner of this 10-cent coin, year 1975, Roosevelt dime. In the fascinating world of numismatic, collectors of coins and banknotes are always on the hunt for the unique specimen that can fit a significant sum of money. Today, we're diving into the story of the 10-cent coin that called transform a mere 10 cents into a staggering at 280,000 US dollar due to its historical weight and immense value. Collectors fleece of these rare pieces with only a handful minted. It stands among the most sought after treasures for enthusiasts in the field. The coin in question is a 10-cent piece from the year 1975, featuring the bust of Roosevelt on each piece. If you happen to come across this coin, it's wise to hold onto it. Coin and banknote collectors might be willing to pay an astronomical price to acquire this extraordinary specimen and add it to their personal collection. Discover the unique 10-cent coin cherished by collectors. When it comes to currency collection, not all coins are created equal. Among the most sought after treasures is a particular 10-cent coin, a true rarity that has captivated the interest of coin and currency enthusiasts worldwide. What makes this coin stand out? It is uniqueness. Only a few of these coins exist, making it coveted piece for those looking to add a special touch to their collections. Thanks to its extraordinary features such as the year of minting or the presidential figure engraved on it, this coin's value can skyrocket to an astonishing 280,000 US dollar. Protecting your valuable 10-cent coin. If you happen to come across the exceptional 10-cent coin, it's crucial to handle it with care in the straggling world of numismatics, where collectors constantly seek out rare finds can be lurking trick. To safeguard your prized possession and ensure you don't miss out on the opportunity to earn a substantial sum, consider the following steps. Number 1, consult with a trusted coin and currency collector who can guide you through the process, like PCGS. Number 2, variety the authenticity of your coin to prevent falling victims to fraud. Number 3, research and understand the unique characteristics that contribute to its high value. By taking this precaution, you can protect your investment and potentially transform a simple 10-cent coin into a remarkable financial opportunity. So ito yung ating one dime guys na si Franklin D. Roosevelt na mayroon taon na 1975. At ito ang kanyang features. Issuer, United States, period, Federal Republic, 1776. Mayroon siyang type na standard circulation coin. Year 1965 hanggang 2024. Ang value nito guys, 1 dime, 10 cents. Sa Pilipinas ay naghalaga ito ng 5 centavos and 87 5 pesos and 87 centavos. Currency dollar 1785 ang kanyang date. Mayroon siyang composition na copper, nickel, clad copper. 91.67% ang kanyang copper, 8.33% ang kanyang nickel. At may timbang na 2.268 grams. May diameter na 17.91 mm. Ang thickness 1.35 mm. Ang shape ay round at ang kanyang technique ay mild. Orientation, coin alignment. Number, A number 53. Reference number, KM number 195A, show number 197A, and PCGS number 5130, 5207, 5209, 5214, etc. From gray sheet number 4749 and 4908, 4963, 4976, etc. At ito yung ating numbers guys, ang portrait of Franklin D. Roosevelt facing the left, the 32nd President of the United States from 1933 to his death in 1945, accompanied by the motto, "In God we trust," and surrounded with the lettering "Liberty." Mayroon siyang script na Latin guys at ang kanyang lettering "Liberty, in God we trust," 1975. No mint mark. Ang ibig sabihin sa San Francisco Mint ito guys. At GS. Ang engraver si John R. Sinook. Ito yung ating reverse ahead of the motto, "A floribotionum, an olive branch, a torch, and an oak branch," symbolize respectively peace, liberty, and victory, and are surrounded with the face value and the lettering United States of America. Script Latin lettering A floribotionum, United States of America, 1 dime. Translation out of many, 1. Engraver John R. Sinook. Age rated A 118 reads. Men's naman United States men, Denver 1906, sa ating Philadelphia 1792, San Francisco 1854, and West Point 1973. Common standard weight of these coins is 35 grains. Ang no-mint mark varieties from 1965 hanggang 1979. P on the obverse 1980, D on the obverse 1968, S propitious 1968. San Francisco no-mint mark 1968, 1970, 1975, and 1983. West Point on the obverse and 1996. Mas seat only. 1975 natin guys ay 14% sa 585,673,900 pieces. Meron siyang price na extra fine 13 pesos. About uncirculated 15 pesos. Uncirculated 51 pesos. Ating demint mark, meron siyang 10% sa 313,705,300 kapiraso. Uncirculated is 51 pesos. Meron tayong auction record dito guys noong October 29, 2024. Umabot ng 506,250 US dollars. So napakalaki guys sa ating heritage auction. Ay dito sa Pilipinas umabot ng 29,686,500 pesos. So napakalaki guys. Yan ang tinatawag na ultra rare Roosevelt coin na may magandang pagkaka-error, kaya ganun kalaki ang kanyang halaga. Napakaswerte mo guys kung mayroon kang mga error coins na hinahawakan dahil napakalaki ang iyong tsansa na maging milyonaryo. So yan guys. Maraming salamat sa panonood at God bless sa ating lahat.